Hello students, let us study about some important carbon compounds, ethanol and ethanoic acid. Ethanol means hydroxyl group is present in the hydrocarbon ethanol, and ethanoic acid COH group. Okay, CH3CH2COH, CH3CH2OH, ethanol. Ethanoic acid CH3CH2COH. Many carbon compounds are invaluable, means that is not usable, most of the hydrocarbon chains, carbon compounds. But we shall study only the properties of ethanol and ethanoic acid. These two are usable for the. Let us study about properties of ethanol and ethanoic acid. And here some ethanol and ethanoic acid, some properties, melting point and boiling point is mentioned here. Acetic acid, the melting point is 290 and boiling point is 391 K. Chloroform CH3Cl 209, 334 is boiling point. Ethanol CH3CH2OH 156 and 351, and methane CH4 90 plus 90 and 111. The properties of ethanol: it is a liquid form at room temperature, and its melting and boiling point are point of ethanol is it is given here, ethanol 156 and 351. Okay, it is commonly called alcohol, and it is active ingredient of alcoholic drinks. Already you know, it is commonly, it is also known as alcohol. It is a active ingredient of alcoholic drinks, and it is also used as a good solvent, and it is also used in medicine such as tincture iodine and cough syrup, and many other tonics also. Ethanol is used. Medicine also it is used. It is a good solvent. It is also used in tincture iodine, means if the wound is happened to the leg and all, they will pour this tincture iodine, it is mixed with alcohol. And next, cough syrup also they will use. Many tonics also they will use ethanol. It is a soluble in water in all properties. Consumption of small quantity of dilute ethanol causes drunkenness. Okay, even though the practice is condemned, it is socially widespread practice. However, intake of even small quantity of pure ethanol, it is also known as absolute alcohol, can be lethal. Sometimes it causes lethal, means dangers to the health. Also, long term consumption of alcohol leads to many health problems like cirrhosis, means liver disease, jaundice they will call, like this. It is happened in the due to the high consumption of alcohol. Okay, reaction with sodium, reactions of ethanol. Reaction with sodium. Sodium means Na. Two molecules of Na combines with ethanol, and there is a formation of sodium ethoxide. The Na is complex with ethanol and removal of hydrogen from the substrate. It undergoes, ethanol undergoes reaction. There is a formation of sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas is released. Alcohol react with sodium, leading to the evolution. Evolution means release of hydrogen gas with ethanol. The other product are sodium ethoxide. It can you recall which other substance are produced? That is hydrogen gas. Metal react with acid to give the hydrogen. Reacting with metals, it gives the hydrogen gas. Okay, let us study about one more example. Reaction to give unsaturated hydrocarbon. Heating ethanol. Ethanol react with unsaturated hydrocarbon chain. In presence of sulfuric acid, there is a formation of ethene. There is a formation. Ethene means, see, reaction to give unsaturated hydrocarbons. Ethanol CH3CH2OH, that is ethanol, at 443 Kelvin, that much of temperature and excess of concentrated H2SO4, that results, H2SO4 means sulfuric acid, result in the formation of dehydration of ethanol. There is a removal of hydrogen molecule to give ethene. The concentrated sulfuric acid can be regarded as dehydrating agent. We will call H2SO4 is rehydrating agent, which removes from the ethanol, and there is a formation of ethene. There is a double bond is formed between the